Hey guys, this is Harshita and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll see how to make this restaurant style butter naan. This is gonna be very soft and it's no yeast. So these are the ingredients required for this recipe. Now without further ado, let's get started. In a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of maida, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of oil, half a cup of curd, now give it a good mix and knead it into a smooth dough. You can even add 2 teaspoons of milk or water if required. Now sprinkle some flour and stretch and knead the dough. This is a very important step. Now tuck the dough and place it back in the bowl. Coat it with 1 teaspoon of oil. Close the lid and let it rest for a minimum of 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take the dough and stretch and knead it again for about 2 minutes. Now sprinkle some flour, take a small portion of the dough and using your rolling pin, just roll it out into an oval or oblong shape. Now as you know, in the restaurants usually naans are oval in shape, so I'm gonna try and make it look like that. Make sure it's thin, because if it is thick, then after it fries it's gonna become more thick, so it's better if you keep it thin. Now apply some melted butter on one side. Add some black sesame seeds. Add some finely chopped coriander leaves. Now using your rolling pin, just gently press in this way so that they stick to the naan. Now flip it and on the other side apply some water. Make sure you do this, do not skip this. Now heat a pan on high flame, do not use a non-stick pan. Make sure that you put the side with the water on the tawa. Now reduce the flame to medium, and after you see bubbles appear like this, turn the tawa and fry it on medium flame. Move the tawa back and forth so that it gets fried evenly. Now after it turns golden brown, just remove it. Now apply some melted butter and there you go. Now repeat the same with the rest. So the water acts as a glue and helps the naan stick to the tawa. So that's it. This is how you can make butter naans at home in such a simple way. Serve it hot with some paneer butter masala or butter chicken or any gravy of your choice, and it's gonna taste amazing. You can see how soft it has turned out. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to hit the bell button. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.